5D series, there is a lot of change in the electronic configuration. For example, lanthanum atomic number 57. Therefore, according to the Aufbau principle, the electronic configuration comes after filling the 6s2, the electron goes to 5d1. That is the main reason why lanthanum is placed in the D block element. But the rest of the element, that means after lanthanum, that is 58 to 72, they are having a special type of electronic configuration which we'll discuss along with the F block elements. Then comes 72. In 72, the electronic configuration proceeds in the same manner as with the lanthanide. Therefore, all this electronic configuration you have to redo it, because according to the Aufbau principle, these are not the electronic configuration that you already found out and the notes that you prepared in 11th standard. Therefore, you have to make a difference in all the electronic configuration. That is 72 means it is 5d26s2, and 73, that means that starts and finishes with mercury atomic number 80. Atomic number 80, and in this also two elements, in order to make the electronic configuration stable, based on the rule that half filled orbitals or full filled orbitals are more stable. This element 5d46s2, that makes a difference as 5d56s1. Similarly, 5d96s2, that is 5d106s1. Examination point of view, in the 5D series, this is called 5D series. In the 5D series, which is the half-filled and the full-filled element which is stable? These are stable by electronic configuration, but this we are making it stable by taking one electron from the S orb. That is the difference. In this 6s1, 6s1, but there are element in this 5D series, that is 5d56s2. That is a normal electronic configuration. Similarly, 5d106s2, that is also normal electronic configuration. But making a change in the electronic configuration and making stable, there are two elements in the periodic table. These are the two elements with electronic configuration 6s1 and half-filled orbital 5d5 and 5d10. These 10 elements involves the filling of the 5D subshell and are known as 5D series or third transition series. Please refer the syllabus. You have to study about 3D series, 4D series and 5D series. Therefore, you must have a thorough idea about the electronic configuration of all these three series, each element, atomic number, and the differences. You can all the other electronic configuration up to here in the Aufbau principle, it is the same. But when you are doing it, you write the electronic configuration properly so that you can understand by means of a table. Then, next one is electronic configuration of F block. If we discuss along with this, you can easily understand.